Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to change margins in Google Docs. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to change the margins in Google Docs, just follow the steps. First is open your document in Google Docs, then click on the File menu and select Page Setup. In the Page Setup dialog box, you can adjust top, bottom, left, and right margins by typing in new values in the appropriate fields. Once you have made your changes, click on the OK button to apply the new margins to your document. Please take note that you can also change the margins by using the ruler tool in Google Docs. So to do this, just simply click and drag the markers on the ruler to adjust the margin size. So that's it. That's how to change margins in Google Docs. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!